Hello there and welcome to Bhanzu classes. I hope you're doing wonderful. In the last class, I asked you to explore some more shapes around yourself. I hope you did that. But in today's class, we are going to go on the next destination with Jake, which is Boatville. Now, when you hear this word Boatville, what comes to your mind? Are you talking about boats? Yes, so in this class, we are going to go on the boat adventure. And what are we going to use over there? In the coming challenges, we will use the different arithmetic concepts like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Actually, we all use these concepts in our daily life without even realizing it. For example, when we open up our piggy banks, to do the total of that amount, we use the concept addition. Now, to manage our time, we use the concept of subtraction, that is 6 hours of a day I'm going to be in the school and study. 8 hours of the day I'm going to sleep. Now how much is left? I'm going to utilize that in my playing and all of those things. To find that leftover amount, we use the concept of subtraction. Now where do we use multiplication and division? Suppose I went to the market and I want to buy 4 pens and each pen is of 10 rupee. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 rupee 40. Instead of doing that, what I will do? I will multiply 4 by 10 simply. And the answer is rupee 40. And last, the division. Division is very useful in case of splitting of bills. When we split the bills, suppose you go for the pizza party with your 3 more friends. Then you will divide that bill into 4 people, right? So the bill divided by 4. There you are using the concept of division. So here are just a few examples. The more examples you already know, you all use it in your day-to-day lives. Now let's use these concepts and help out Jake in his challenges. So when he entered Boatville, he saw there are 3 different types of boats. Log boat, motor boat, machine boat. He saw that one log boat can carry 20 kg of weight. And there are total 50 log boats. So how much weight 50 log boats can carry? Yes, 50 times 20 kg? Correct. Which is how much? 5 times 2 is 10 and the rest of the 100 is also multiplied, so it becomes 1000 kg. Now the motor boat carries 500 kg and there are total 6 motor boats. So how much weight they can carry? Correct, 6 times 500 kg, which is how much? With that it becomes 3000 kgs. Now, one machine boat can carry 6000 kg. So, how much weight 2 machine boats can carry? 2 times 6000 kg, which is 12,000 kg. Okay, you have used the concept of multiplication over here to find the weight carried by the log boats, motor boats and machine boats. But you have to now figure out what is the total weight that has been carried by all of these boats together. How would you do that? For that, we are going to use the concept of addition. Absolutely correct. Let's add 1000 plus 3000 plus 12,000. And what is the answer to this? The result is 16,000 kg. And here we have used the concept of addition. Alright, now let's see the next challenge. The next challenge is, out of this 16,000 kg of weight, 1/4 of the weight has to go for drying up and whatever is left, whatever is remaining will be counted as the fresh fish. So how to proceed with this question? What mathematical concept shall we use here? Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? So let's have a look. 1/4 of the total weight has to go for drying up. 1 by 4 of means multiply and the total weight is 16,000 kg. Okay, simple. What are we going to do? We are going to divide the 16,000 by 4. Why? Because only 1/4 part has to go. So therefore we will divide 16,000 by 4 and the result to this is 4,000 kg. That means 4,000 kg of the weight has to go for drying up and whatever is left will be counted as the fresh fish. So how much do you think is left? Here we have used the concept of division. Are we going to use division Again for the fresh fishes, what we can do is, total we have is 16,000 kg, correct? And from that 4,000 is already gone. So how much is left? For that we use the concept of subtraction. With that we will get 12,000 kg as the answer. So that means 4,000 kg of the fishes has to go for drying up, and the remaining 12,000 kg will be counted as fresh fish. Alright, because we have already used all of the 4 concepts: multiplication, addition, division and subtraction. Now you figure out what will be the answer to this question. Pause the video and calculate. Now out of the 12,000 kg of the fresh fish, 1/3 of the total weight has to be sold on a different island, and whatever is remaining, whatever is left, has to be sold on the same island. So again the same thing, 1/3, 1/3 of means multiply, total is 12,000. So for that we are going to divide 12,000 by 3. We will get the answer as 4,000 kg. So this much of the weight has to be sold on a different island. And how much weight has to be sold on the same island? For that, we need to subtract out 4,000 from 12,000. Correct? And the answer to this is 8,000 kg. So this much amount will be sold on the same island. And with that, we have used all the 4 operations. It's time to summarize whatever we did today. We have used these 4 concepts in today's class, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now you also use these concepts in your daily life and point out your friends and family wherever they are using it. I will see you in the next session. Bye-bye.